morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about our next English chapter. Name of the chapter is the sentence. It is your grammar topic. So firstly we will discuss about what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, Mary enjoys cooking. Now what is this? This is a sentence because it is making complete sense. Now you can see here, first, the rat. This is also a group of words. Second is loves cheese. This is also group of two words. So these both are not making any sense. That's why these are not complete sentence. So when we will join these group of words, then it will change into sentence because it will make complete sense. You can see here, the rat loves cheese. Now this is a complete sentence because it is making a sense. The rat loves cheese. You can see here. Next, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Now what is the important thing? Your sentence always begins with capital letter. See here, T is capital. Second, a sentence usually ends with a full stop. Your sentence usually stops with full stop. See here, we already used full stop here. Now, next, or a question mark. When you are asking any question from anyone, that means you have to put question mark at the end. See the example. Where are you going? Question mark. Now you are asking question to anyone, that's why you have to put at the end question mark. Next, a sentence is a complete thought containing both subject and verb. What is a sentence? It is a complete thought which have both subject and verb. Now we will discuss what is subject. The subject is what the sentence is about. What is subject? Subject is what the sentence is about. For which thing you are talking about. That is subject. What is verb? The verb is what the subject is doing. Now what is verb? What is your subject? What is your subject is doing? That is verb. See here example. I write. Now I is what? I is the subject. Now I is the subject because we are talking about I. What the sentence is talking about, that is subject, and here we are talking about I, so I is a subject. Now, and write is what I do. What is write? Write is verb. Now what to your subject? What to your subject means I is doing, that is verb. Now what I is doing? I is writing, so that's why write is what? Your verb. See here example. On my way home. Now this is also group of words, but it does not make any sense, so this is not a sentence. Now we have to add subject and verb here, that it will change into sentence. Now see, I am on my way home. Now see here, we added here I and am means subject and verb. Now it is making a complete sense, so it is a sentence. So students, now we'll solve your exercises related to your sentences. Tick the groups of words which are sentences, cross out the ones that are not. Now we have to tick on that group of words which are sentences, means which makes complete sense. So first one, I love. I love is a group of words, but it is not making any sense, so we will cross it. She is my sister. Now she is my sister is a complete sentence and it is making a sense. So this is a sentence, so we will tick here. My beautiful doll. Now my beautiful doll is a group of words but not a sentence, so we will cross here. he drives to work. Now he drives to work is also a sentence because it has its own subject, verb and object, so it is a complete sentence with sense, so we will tick here. Next is arrange the groups of words given below to form sentences. Remember to put punctuation. Now what we have to do, we have to rearrange these words because these words are not on proper place, and we'll make new sentence. And what is the main thing, we have to put punctuation at the end. Required punctuation we have to put at the end. So first sentence is, does he play tennis? Now as I already told you that your sentence always starts with capital letter, so D is not capital, we will put here capital D. Does he play tennis? Now this is in a question form, so at the last we will put question mark. Run to the U party. Now these words are not on proper place, we will rearrange. You run to the party, at the end full stop. My new pets I love. Now again, I love my new pets, at the end full stop. Next one is, help please now me. Now these words are also not on proper place. Now someone asked about help, so firstly please, after that pause, then that's why we'll put here comma, help me now. Now someone asking about help, so we have to put here exclamation mark. I hope you all understood well. Thank you.